Really?
You like it?
Something stirred I can't explain, like sunshine stepping out of rain, a feeling deep
Why not?
inside that
Yeah.
I
How about you?
just know. Here's to the second chance we found, where we thought our hearts were in the ground. By the lake we set our vows. God knew then what he knows now, that love was waiting all along. Bob Carson, you're where I belong. From the Caribbean Sea to Niagara's mist, every moment with you is a moment I'm blessed.
Like this part.
A room full of Mountain Dew, a heart full of grace, a father, a man of faith, my favorite face. Massanutten Hills and Nashville lights, Las Vegas stars and roller
Nice
coaster
lot of
heights,
words
three
there
sons
that
who
you put
love
together.
you, grandkids at your knee. Camp Street Methodist raised you right, a man who walks by heaven's light, and somehow, Lord, you gave him here to me. By Lake Erie shore on that late May day, I promised you forever, and I meant every word I'd say. Here's to the second chance we found, when we thought our hearts were in the ground. By the lake we set our vows. God knew then what he knows now, that love was waiting all along. Bob
Oh, nice.
Carson, you're where I belong. So here's to year one and all the years to come. Thank God for our time and the love that we've become. Bob Carlson, my darling, my answered prayer, my second chance
Love you.
at something
That we
rare.
brought together.
Isn't it pretty?
Mm-hmm. That was
What'd you say?
a lot of work put together.
No, they wrote it.